Yeah, so Sherifa Gunu has exposed Sarkodie for not answering her calls. Alright guys, so welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on that DJH If you're new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime you drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah, so a few weeks ago, Sherifa Gunu was all over social media platforms after she made a controversial revelation in an interview about how Sarkodie has been refusing to answer her calls. According to her, she planned a collaboration with Sarkodie on her song. Unfortunately for her, she couldn't reach out to Obidi after calling him several times on the phone. This made her put Ras Kuku on the song instead of Sarkodie. However, on United Showbiz Show, a program aired on UTV with Anama Brown as the host, Sherifa Gunu detailed how her revelation about Sarkodie has landed her in trolls on social media. Meanwhile, she didn't actually meant it in a negative way, but was falsely spread by bloggers who impersonated her. Okay guys, listen to the detailed interview with Anama Brown on the United Showbiz Show.
Nansaya we are promotions. Wako so ko promote but it looks like say as someone and I'm train say what can be at Sarkodie and ama adwene na wa kire di promote nyom I say e no yira and at e akoyeta say Sherifa Gunu akoka we wa ukọ baby na say repeat asem no na refi promotion na ya ama no. This is the platform. Then what did you mean? Then I mean say na o pesa wo kan say ya jiwa no esibone, right?
Yeah. Very good. Thank you very much.
Na correct sasa na fe you ko platform bi aso a enye promotion.
Me da wase bebre say wo this some way aba. Enura mpo me call interview bi. Me catch ro say mem bisa me asem fa we asemesi because me who say me ba ha yanka me nwom na asem na mo bisa me we. And that no crampo so we check his interview now. I didn't even want to mention the thing, never. Because that guy is my best friend. Some time ago, you understand? Maybe this time now, your communication no and your papa na say your link up no so be your tight. On na kita no phone so be fine.
Good.
Or so I'm fine because and your way. But me fan no like I was just I didn't know say I'm out for be picking no in that way.
And
because me no dan is still my guy.
Yeah.
No matter what. Odono nsan it's still still be ya fie odono nsan but the abano says anwum na na mpese ye no na manya no na mde Ras Kuku de two mo wo ho nti no enya bibia because definitely meni no e be say shy you but the way na akoda no different story no me ankasa mampe because me my friend kura anwum na obey studio no oye anwum no maame esa me kura po amekwa no me say Jack say JJ that me G200 edit to petrol the boom car and I'm the coffee one so we are too tight me friend one country one body thing ko ono kura di kan studio ho e ko record nwum no esant na wo twa me ma me beto no
inti ada na ne okoye interview na waka bibi na ye jiwa no sibo
because I didn't expect it that way till the next day the thing they go on blogging things.
I think I watch, let me just try and correct you. I want to say sometimes I get that all the time. Because boo send na ukasa no eno a ba send na ukano no maybe I make us say okay I think this water is good but instead of make us say this water is good internet abedani bibi for us and then I go send na ukan asem no who say the pakunu bisaw about Sarkodie and I will say and you see there's a defect they be American language defect ebia ni training here it also me person so send okan over to say is there anything problem? Yes there a problem but a defect language but if she was speaking in a language that she's fluent in woman say e easy put it them can say so sometimes people will pick that stuff and blow it out of proportion. I mean we suffer that all the time. But so I think interviewer we interviewer obi so wasama na wo pesa wo kan no aka na wo pesa wo kan obi antu menchi anya by force
yes
yes na wo pesa wo kan no
Wait, the yes,
to say be American send a beya Sadia Ghana presenters and what can promoting your on can no person can't send be not if you to send a maybe so now and you're not promoting and once my era. It's in your person who can. And no can. Now one person can be to me by
me no you drink, but mommy and French language defect be. Oh, I understand so. Yeah, but as some more kind and you know report here. Say Sarkodie refused to pick her course. Sarkodie make her appearance in all the Ras Kuku shame. As some more can here and one of blogs and report here. You understand? So it has little to do with
language. And that dear Bakuna, and that dear Bakuna, come out and now we are not. As some more can we
now what they man and I feel now man quality advice. But the Oka say language defect
demeanor. Did you watch the video?
No, but you see,
no, have you seen the video?
Your Kawahi and one of blogs no report.
Mama
baby blogs yeah. Omucha de bentro. Omucha de bentro.
Mr. Musumu we see Sherifa Gunu time pacho. Sherifa, intino a new song no your friend is saying.
And why win him sir?
Your friend don't pay that.
Don't trade that. And I told you no.
Don't trade that. O mama wagarda za. Man enter market. In fiancé way top pass everyone.
But what's your friend saying?
Do trader.
Don't trade that.
Don't trade that.
Don't trade that. O mama wagarda za. Ne pas trader. O mama wagarda za.
Man no den 28.
William nyala paya. To mamina den daya. You know love be different. Paya. Na mamina den mimi no kwa de daya. Daya house e ba kuba e pepe. Daya.
Anyum na to na house.
No, dagbani, but daya no is
Elsa. Wouldn't be teacher Kojaba.